Okay, this is a 2015 Jeep. This is our good friend Robert. This vehicle comes out of Miami. It's got specialty forged wheels, 40-inch tires, 15.5 inches wide, 24-inch wheels. Got the big brake kit already on it. It's got about 2,000 miles on it. Performance-wise, I think it has a muffler on it, but other than that, it's completely stock engine-wise for today, but not for long. Okay, so these are the parts. So unboxing the system comes in two boxes. One larger box contains most of the parts. The smaller box contains just a turbocharger. What we've done here is we just unbox everything, lay it out on the table. I want to go through the parts so that you can see the quality, you can see the packaging, you can get the experience from the beginning. So let's do it. Okay, here's our individual bags. This is the vacuum hose. The complete vacuum hose is just right here. It comes with a diagram, very simple to follow. Here's the V-band clamp. This stainless steel 3-inch V-band clamp. These are our wastegate clamps. This is our oil source assembly. Right here, it's 3 components. O2 extensions. We're going to relocate the O2 extension, the O2 sensor. So here's a plug-and-play harness for that. Oil feed line. This is how we're going to take the engine oil and feed it to the turbocharger via this stainless steel line. One thing you know about this stainless steel line, it's also coated. Okay, stainless steel braided line is a great line. It really has almost no place bare in the automotive car at all. It needs to be coated. Anytime stainless steel is there, anything it touches, it'll chafe, it'll rub a hole in. If something electrical ever touches it, it's a great ground. Boom, you got a fire. You want to make sure you use components like this in your vehicle. Of course, these are the ones that are supplied by us. There's that. Here's the fasteners. Every set of fasteners comes labeled. These are exhaust bolt assemblies. Here's for the turbocharger. Here are the bolts for the intercooler. Here are the ones for the coolant tank. Now these bolts that we use is a top lock bolt. So it doesn't have a lock washer. It's not going to loosen up. You're going to put it on one time, and because of the stamping on it, it's going to be tight. It's going to stay that way. Very important things. Okay, here's the map sensor we use. Okay, now this is a Mopar map sensor. This is a 3-bar map sensor. It's plug and play on the manifold. And to convert the harness over, comes with a map sensor adapter. So you're just going to plug it in like this, plug it into the factory, and there you have it. Now we chose to use a Mopar 3-bar map sensor because they're making hundreds of thousands of these. It's not a knockoff, it's not a variation, it's not made special for us. This is something with the highest quality standards you can get. It's a great piece. If your map sensor ever fails, you can go to your local Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep dealer and buy one. It's a 3-bar map sensor. Okay, coming across the table here, we got a genuine tile wastegate. Now if you want to turbocharge something, you want to have the boost under control, you don't want a Chinese knockoff. This is the best wastegates money can buy. They already come set up. Spring pressure is already set. Here's the turbocharger base gasket. Again, stainless steel, quality longevity. This is silicone, 4-ply, made specially for us, special dimensions. Here are silicone hose clamps. Now these hose clamps, again, the T-bolt style is more overkill. This is a standard band style clamp, but it is stainless steel and it is what we call fully banded. So other manufacturers, you know, they use a regular hose clamps, not stainless steel. It's cheap, we could save money. That's not the goal here. The goal is to deliver a quality product. So when I say fully banded, where this piece would normally be on a regular hose clamp, okay, the band completely covers it. So when you put it on the silicone, okay, any place that touches the silicone never has like the alligator type teeth which will dig into it. So you put that on the hose, you take it back off, you need a new hose after a couple times. It's just, it digs into it. This way, on and off, stays best. Another great feature. Okay, here's our fuel injectors. This is a actual matched set of fuel injectors. This is not off the shelf, buy a set of injectors, put them in the car. They all come with a flow sheet. They're performance matched set. If you're going to make big horsepower, there's really little room for error. You want to be able to dot every I, cross every T, do everything you can do. And we've done that here for you. So it's a performance matched set of fuel injectors. They are plug and play, complete drop-in, which we'll see later. You got Diablo Sport InTune. Everything you need comes in the box. Now this will program your tire size. This will program your tire size. You get different gears in the car. This will program that as well. It's also the only product on the market where you can send a tune file that's in the vehicle. You can receive a tune file. You can make changes. It's very, very versatile. No one has this type of technology. Diablo Sport really did the best job here. If you have a programmer that, you know, you program it one time, however it works, however it's in the box, that's it. With a Diablo Sport product, you flash the vehicle. If you want to change something, you know, any modification is changed. You got a data logging feature. You can send a data log. You can send a file. We can manipulate that. We can send that back to you. Remember, it's a worldwide product. We sell this from Iceland to Asia to Australia. I mean, these are everywhere. So if we need to make a change, we can do it via email. And it's excellent. Very simple. We're going to show you how to do that as well. Here's our turbo feed assembly. Now, our turbo feed assembly is one piece, okay? We try to keep this one piece, less chance for leaking. It's great, billet aluminum, comes with all the hardware as well. Same thing with the turbo drain. Gaskets all here. And see, you see again, everything's labeled. Not real confusion, you're not all on your own. It really goes with the products. Got a genuine K&N air filter here. Again, product. You know, this is a wear and tear item. As they wear out, as it needs replacement, you can do that. Here's our catch can assembly. We're going to show you more in depth going down the way here on why this is such a necessary component, why it's great for the vehicle, and why we're the only guys to offer this. Here's a turbo blanket. Later on, we're going to see how this gets fitted onto the turbocharger here. Now, this contains the heat for the turbocharger from radiating from the other places. It also decreases the spool time by keeping the heat energy contained in the turbocharger. Very good feature. Now this is our precision turbo here. Robert chose to go with our upgraded precision turbocharger. It's got a ported housing. It's got a great finish on it. It's an excellent option. Flows more air. It's pretty radical. Comes on very hard. Great product. It's an option for us. Okay, moving on to the piping here. This is all 304 stainless steel, all TIG welded. This is a quality product. Look at this. All stainless steel, including the flanges. This is the quality that we deliver here. Prodigy Performance. All CNC mandrel bent. Best fit every time. Super high flow. All the brackets, everything. Even the flanges, all stainless steel. Down here we have our hoses. Braided hoses, long lasting. As you can see, as I just went over, every product is truly the best it can be. It's not a budget, it's not a basic, it's not an intro, it's the best. Whatever we could do to say, hey, we're going to do it right, that's what we did. No compromise here at Prodigy Performance.